Kohatsu. I'm the author of the cookbook Food with My Friends, and I'm a chef here at the Viking Culinary Center. Right now I'm going to show you an easy way to roast chicken drumsticks. The first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Then, on a lined baking sheet like this, spread out your chicken legs. Drizzle the drumsticks with a little bit of olive oil. And add your seasonings, salt, pepper, and fresh or dried herbs. Once you've added your seasonings, the chicken is ready for the oven. Bake the chicken for about 30 minutes or until the skin is nice and golden and the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees. It's been about 30 minutes and my drumsticks are golden brown, roasted, and they've also reached an internal temperature of 145 degrees. I'm Chris Kohatsu, and thanks for watching How to Roast Chicken Drumsticks.